video, I want to be sharing with you real fact and real truth that you would really never find out there. Now, the truth is, videos like this never really get so much views, and I really do not care. If I was trying to chase clout, I'd make videos that would actually be clickbait and people would watch that. But I want to share with you in sincerity the truth about making money online, just like I have shared or I share with people in my online community. All right, I'm going to do that for you. Now, there are skeletons to making money online, and everybody needs to know this. Every industry has that challenge, but the truth is that people would rather show you the flashy life, people would rather show you the money, people would rather show you the dollar bills in the bank account, or flash those dollar bills in your face and not really tell you the truth about that. Now, there are so many things I'm into. Now, I'm going to share with you what I actually do online and what actually has produced me results online. However, first, I'll start by sharing with you my pains. First is the fact that it is a rigorous journey. Now, making money online is not start today and make it tomorrow. Start yesterday, all right, and make it today. No, it's not a get rich quick scheme like a lot of people think it is. Now, a lot of people enjoy the adventure, or sitting at home in their comfort zone and just making tons of money. That while that is true, and a lot of people have been able to have that, the question you want to ask yourself is that how long did it take for you to get to where you are today? Right? So someone starts a YouTube channel today, right, and wants to make money. The truth is that look at the journey to monetizing your YouTube channel. First of all, you need 4,000 watch hours. Another thing you need is 1,000 subscribers. Think about a church member. Think about a church and think about how difficult it is to fill a church with 1,000 members. Now think about how difficult it is to actually get 1,000 subscribers. Now, while that is difficult, the truth is that people have hacked it. Now, if anybody has done that, you can do that. So the first thing I'm trying to inform you is that it is not going to be an easy journey. Another thing is that it is going to be frustrating as hell. Now, trust me, I share from this. Now, the truth is that even at my state, with how far I've come and the result I've obtained with making money online, or investing in the digital space and actually getting result, I still get frustrated every time I am trying out a new adventure. Every time, because you don't stay where you are, right? Every day you're trying to grow and learn new skills and become new persons. Now, every time I move into a new sector and I'm trying to hack this sector, I am always greeted with the same thing: frustration. Because why? You're not just going to get in there and start getting result. All right. So if you're trying to make money online right now and you feel some certain energy that is giving frustration, or the vibe is not good, you're not motivated, trust me, I understand that, and it's a part of the journey. All right. Now, the only people that can actually make it out are those who actually tell themselves that I will not give up. I am not going to give up. All right. Now, frustration is part of the journey. Now, another part that a lot of people, YouTubers, will not tell you, like I said, this is not information you'll find out there, is the fact that it requires rigorous hard work. Literally, I was on my laptop. I sleep in my office. I sleep in my office almost every day, right? Now, I was literally on my laptop until about the early hours of this morning, right? And I'm already awake. This is about maybe 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. thereabout in the morning. I'm already awake, kicked, and ready to shoot. And I'm shooting a video already. This is just one among the many things I have done this morning, and one among the many things I am going to do today, right now. So it requires rigorous hard work. Now, nobody is going to tell you that he's genuinely successful online and is not really Now, anybody who is genuinely successful online and is not working as hard has actually done the hard work already. And right now, the person probably has a system running for him or her, and probably has people and staffs they pay. And even at that, you still need to check up and monitor. So if you're thinking that this is just going to be something you do by the side, accompanying your 9-to-5 job, I promise you, this is going to be more difficult than your 9-to-5 job. Now, this is not to scare you. This is to tell you the reality of things and what to expect. For instance, if you're going into a city and they tell you that there are vampires in that city, you already know very well what to do, what to expect. Make sure that you walk during the day. Do not walk at night, because vampires thrive at night, right? So you know the nooks and crannies of this industry, and you know how to navigate your path, right? So literally, I'm not trying to scare you. You need to be hardworking. Another thing is giving up on time, patience, lack of patience. Now, this is an interesting thing, and for anybody in my online community who is seeing this video right now, this is a message for you people, all right? And of course, I've told them this, and if you want to be a part of my community, just do very well. Leave a comment in the comment section saying you want to be a part of my private class, and I'm going to send you an invite, all right? Now, I have been coaching people privately, and the truth is some people have been seeing results, and only a few people among those who are not seeing results are actually reaching out to ask questions like, what's going on? I have done this, I have not gotten result. The truth is that there is no perseverance. You do a little bit of this, somebody says, oh, this actually makes money online, and the person is practically showing you how he or she does that, and you do a little here, a little there, and then you probably hit the rocks and you just give up. Oh my god, this is not for me. It meant that what that meant is that you really didn't want to make money online. You just wanted a get rich quick scheme. Because if you think about, I always tell people, think about making money online as an Igbo man starting off a business. An Igbo man does not start opening a new shop today, right? Or literally, if you're watching this video and you're not a Nigerian, you don't open a business office today and just expect customers to flood in. But even if you have 0 customers today, tomorrow you go back and open your office. If you're opening a Lego practice or a shop, a provision store, you go back the next day and open it again. Even if one person buys from you, you don't get frustrated and you don't let that detail you. You go back again. Literally, an Igbo man will do that for close to 2 years. And then eventually the business will take off and soar. And then when that happens, everybody says, oh, you're a big man, you're lucky and all that. But nobody saw the day you kept showing up and there was no result. That's the same way it is with the online space. You keep showing up regardless. You keep showing up regardless. You keep showing up regardless. And suddenly, in no time, people are really going to realize that this person is a force to reckon with, right? Now, having shared that with you, what do I really need to advise you? What's my simple advice? My simple advice is that if this is really what you want to do, be sure that this is what you want to do and make sure that you want to give it everything. Now, I'm going to tell you something my mentor told me some time ago. I'm not sure you should take this advice, but it's at your discretion. He said something. He said, if you want to make money online, give up on every other thing. I was shocked when he said that because, are you telling us to go and quit our jobs and all that? He said, if you want to make money online, you have to let go of every other thing. Now, did I do that? I exactly didn't do that because I needed to pay my bills, right? But what I did was that at the time, my 9-to-5 job was 9 to 5, 8 hours of my day. I promise you, I invested close to 12 hours more on making money online, on my journey making money online. What am I simply trying to tell you? If you have a 9-to-5 job today, trust me, you need to invest more time in making money online than you invest in that job if you would ever take off. But the truth is, once you take off, it is going to be rewarding. Making money online, it will probably pay you 10 times, 8 times, 20 times what your physical job is going to pay you right now. Now, what have I done to make money online? Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Number 2, and the most profound thing that has made me money online till now still makes me money online, is content creation, writing for people, and making content like this for people like you. All right, that is one of the things that has fetched me the most money online. Another thing that has fetched me money online is of course trading. I trade cryptocurrency and I trade forex. Currently, I'm actually doing a class where I'm teaching people how to trade forex and all that. Now, there is a free class and then there is a paid class. Now, I never really talk about my paid classes, especially online, but I realize that a lot of people, because the free class is free, do not take it seriously. All right, so there's a free class and then there's a paid class. Whatever you want to do, just send me a message in the comment section. Now, another thing that has made me money online is writing books on Amazon. Another thing that has made me plenty money online is actually drop shipping. Another thing that has made me online, like I said, is affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate and all that, right? So guys, if you find this video really helpful and you get to watch this video up until this time, I'm simply encouraging you, do not give up. Like I said, a lot of YouTubers will not make videos like this. They would rather tell you how to make $1,000 just clicking a link. But I'm going to tell you the truth regardless, even if this video does not get as much views. All right, guys, cheers.